Welcome back to my bathroom. Today we are dyeing my hair blue. I know. I put it on my Instagram that I was gonna get the Overtone blue for brown hair, and Overtone really kindly sent it to me. Yeah, thanks Overtone. Honestly, probably like the best thing that I will ever receive. Nothing will ever top it. This is what they sent me. I literally cried when I got it. And I have been wanting to dye my hair blue ever since Kylie Jenner did that thing that one time, and I tried to do it and it didn't really work with like real hair dye. And now that I'm like obsessed with Overtone and I dye my own hair and it doesn't look like garbage every time, I was like, let's try it again. What I'm using is the Overtone blue for brown hair set. They sent me two, which was like really nice. So they sent me two of each. So I have two daily conditioners, two coloring conditioners, which is great because I always go through these like pretty quickly. My brown one, I do my whole head and it lasts me like 3 dyes, which I haven't actually tried I haven't tried their brown coloring like daily conditioners yet. So next time I decide to dye my hair brown, I'll get a kit with both. But right now, this is what we're dealing with. And I am excited, I'm thankful. And this is a color, this is the color. It's actually like purple because it's for brown hair, so it has to be super dark. I really screwed up doing that. This is what the daily conditioner looks like. Nice and pretty. And this is the color. They do have a purple for brown hair already, but looking at the swatches, like the blue is blue, especially compared to the purple. So I changed my t-shirt into this super oversized men's t-shirt. So I'm gonna take my hair out of my bun and brush it. I literally washed it last night because I had a job interview this morning. I have a few job interviews in a couple weeks, so we'll see what they think of my blue hair. My hair does this thing at the back where it just like flips up. Reminds me that I look like Prince Charming. These are my black industrial grade gloves. The bottoms of my hair are still pretty light, so that's just what we're gonna do. I'm sectioning my hair as per usual. Oh my goodness, I'm so nervous. My hair is so short too. There's not much to work with, but let's go. We're doing it now. Oh, yes. You know what? So what if people don't like think I look professional with blue hair? I apply this so professionally. I should have gone to like hairdressing school. Hairdressers, let me know what you think in the comments. Okay, bottom layer is done. I did like the full layer. I'm gonna do my baby hairs too because they need a little bit of look. I fully just got a dye in my ear. Oh no! I think I'm just gonna full do it. Like I'm gonna full send. I think I should just full send. I got blue on my roots, now I have to full send. Yeah, so we're full sending. That was kind of an accident, but you know what? Mama did not raise no bitch. Do you think Brad Mundo watches these? I know he did a video on Overtone. I never actually watched it, but do you think like he like watches this kind of stuff? Like, honestly. Like, do you guys think that Brad Mundo watches 19-year-old women, girls, whatever you want to call us, overtoning their hair when they should be studying for their midterms? I just covered in my bald spots because I've been losing my hair from stress and the front of my scalp, so I just covered the little bald spot with blue dye, except I also covered the rest of my head in blue dye. So now that I look like this, I'm gonna let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, maybe a little longer, and I will catch up with you guys after I have washed it out with the daily conditioner. The time for me to wash my hair has come, so let's do that. Yeah. Okay, so I put it in a towel for about like 10 minutes. The color already looks really sick, but I'm kind of too eager to let it naturally dry. Like, my hair texture looks really good right now, but you know what? We're gonna blow dry it anyways. This is like not natural lighting, but you can kind of see it. You can still see the brown. Like, there's still definitely like my hair. Okay, here's the hair like just blow dried and like lightly straightened. These are my hands. This is my scalp. This is what we're working with right now. I'm going to probably style it in the morning, but honestly, like, the color is so sick. I love it. It's now the next morning, and this is what my hair looks like. I actually really like it. I'm gonna move up a little bit. I actually really like it. It's not like super vibrant like neon blue, which is like obvious because I have brown hair underneath here, but it is like a very subtle, like awesome shade of blue. It's like almost in certain lights black, which is awesome. Like, it's like duochrome. The parts that look a little bit more green than blue, it's not like it's like neon green, obviously. It's like a very rich like jewel tone green. This color is very jewel tone too. I really enjoy it. I really like it. I purposely contrasted it with my lipstick and my eyes because why not? And I purposely wore a white shirt to show it off because yesterday I wore a green shirt. Yesterday I wore a green shirt and it didn't look like I did anything to my hair, so I purposely wore a light color. My hair honestly looks so healthy and smooth. My hair never gets this texture. That's definitely from the Overtone like product that it's this smooth. I find that whenever I dye my hair with Overtone, it literally looks so healthy after, which is an awesome part of it being vegan and cruelty free and doesn't have like parabens and sulfates, is that your hair looks really good and healthy after, even though it's an unhealthy color. My scalp is blue here. I do have some blue like on the side of my face still and on the side of my hairline. This honestly isn't a big deal to me. I really don't care. I have some like on my arm. I wish that I cared about like where I got the hair dye that wasn't my hair, but like I feel blinded by how good my hair looks that I'm like, I go to art school, like everybody's walking around with freaking like hair dyes, and I feel like I look kind of like what I want, like I look like the person I wanted to be when I was in like grade 8, where I kind of look really edgy because my hair is blue. I match like my musical aesthetic of like listening to indie and alt rock and classic rock. Yeah, I think I'm fulfilling like younger me's dream of being like some badass looking girl. I'm not badass. I am like the furthest thing, but in my head, that's what I look like, and I kind of am living for it. I don't know if it's transferring on my t-shirt or not. It's not. And honestly, like I got some on my bedspread and I literally put OxyClean on it and it came out, so I'm not too worried about it as long as like I wash it like right when right away. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to do an update video about this thing, this hair color, this product. I'm gonna do like a overall review because my first impression is good. I don't doubt that my overall review will be good, but I will do an overall review if anything changes or if I feel like I should let you guys know of anything. Thank you so much to Overtone for sending this to me. Honestly, that's like incredible and pretty much a dream come true. Like, let me know what you guys think below. I will have a referral link below. This video isn't sponsored, But I do, everybody who has an account with Overtone has a referral link, so if you guys want, I think it's like $5 off your order. I'm going to leave my link below so you guys can check it out and save some coin, because we know that it's expensive to ship that to Canada. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed filming it. I really enjoyed what happened to my head. I'm sorry this angle is kind of trash. I literally just got up and got ready and then decided to just film this because I would forget. This lighting really makes me look pasty AF, but it's okay. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, leave it a thumbs up. Comment below what you think of my hair, if you would try Overtone, what colors you want to try. Like, let me know what you guys are thinking. And subscribe down below. I'm trying to hit 200 before my 20th birthday. I don't think it's gonna happen, but if you want to help, you know, keep my motivation, you can subscribe below. My birthday's on March 19th. I'm gonna be 20. It's kind of old, but if you want to help out, down below. Yeah, all my social media is below. Feel free to follow me on other platforms if you want to. Yeah, that's pretty much all for this week's video. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.